Before analyzing the recorded data, we want to make sure that the experimental paradigm is reflected in our data. Often when running an experiment, we will have an event protocol marking the start of blocks and trials in our experiment. This information is stored along with our data and can be accessed and used in Satori. For this purpose, we will open the Event Manager tab, which can be found under Analysis. Here, we can view the event triggers sent during the experiment. In the top window, you can see the time course for the whole recording. The colored boxes mark the different stimuli. Each color refers to a different condition, depending on how many different stimuli or conditions were set in the experiment. These colors can be customized by clicking on Edit Color and then changing the color, like so. You can do this for both conditions. In our case, we have two conditions, 1 and 2. To give them more meaning, we can also go ahead and change the name of the conditions according to the experimental paradigm. For example, we can change them to right and left, as this is our finger tapping experiment. So just click on Edit Name, and then you can easily change the name. Usually only the onset, the start of a condition or stimuli, is sent and stored with the data. The duration of the condition should be set in Satori. By selecting one condition, in the right window, you can then see the start time whenever a trigger for this condition was sent. And by default, the duration for each condition is set to 10 seconds. This can be changed either for each event separately, like so, or for all events of this condition at once by clicking the Durations button. You can also change the start time for each event individually. Satori gives you maximum flexibility to manipulate your event protocol. This is how you would change the start time. To add or remove conditions manually, just click Add or Remove and create or remove events or conditions at any time point. You can then save your event file for later use or click Apply to Dataset to continue with the data analysis based on your event protocol. So now you can see those changes we made.